I'm going to share something with you that can be a game changer for your journey as you pursue freedom. Introducing the 72-Hour Freedom Challenge, a powerful 3-day course designed for newcomers, those facing challenges, or anyone who needs a fresh boost in their affiliate marketing game. As you know, my mentor Jonathan Montoya has generated 7 figures in his business, and now I want to equip you with the same skills and strategies that helped me to attain both time and financial freedom. Get ready to experience real results like his students are already achieving using this challenge. In this challenge, you'll watch each day's training and discover the roadmap to building an email list and creating an automated system to capture and nurture leads. My insights apply not only to the make money online niche, but also to other niches like health and relationships, allowing you to tailor the skills for your own unique venture. What makes this challenge truly remarkable is the implementation part. It provides a comprehensive set of tools, including a funnel, automated email sequences, and a lead magnet to attract new customers to your business. You have the choice to use a paid platform like ClickFunnels or a free platform like System.io to host this system. To help you breeze through the setup process, it even includes step-by-step checklists that you follow along with and tick off as you go along. There's also a very supportive Facebook group community where you can post your questions and get help should you get stuck. To make it even more foolproof, they even offer a done-for-you service for those of you who struggle with the tech. So, if you are looking to save time and effort during implementation, don't miss this opportunity. Click in the comments to sign up today. The benefits don't end there. The course also offers a unique white labeling option, allowing you to customize the course content with your branding and insert your affiliate links for potential additional commissions. Throughout the challenge, they provide valuable tips on 3 secret traffic methods: organic traffic, evergreen traffic, and paid traffic. With this knowledge, you will gain a well-rounded understanding of how to drive traffic to your automated system, boosting your chances of success. This challenge is packed with immense value at an incredibly affordable price, making it a no-brainer for anyone serious about succeeding in the affiliate marketing arena. So don't hesitate. Join the 72-Hour Freedom Challenge now and accelerate your affiliate marketing journey to new heights. Click in the comments below to check it out today. Also, on this link, there is a special one-time offer to get the premium course Freedom Accelerator on a 12-month payment plan. You won't be able to get this payment plan anywhere else. In fact, I don't know how long they'll still make this payment plan available, so it's a limited time opportunity. Take advantage before they take it down and it goes back to the 3-pay or full pay option. As always, I'm here to support and celebrate your success every step of the way. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need assistance.